Hello. In this video tutorial I will teach you how to create Facebook group. For this, log into your Facebook. Go to the menu button. Into the top right corner. Select group option from the drop-down menu. Choose your group name. Enter the name of your group into the group name option. Under the create group. Into the left sidebar. As I choose Saudi Software House as the name of the group. Now select the privacy of your group. Click into the Choose Privacy. Select the privacy of your Facebook group according to your choice. I choose Public right now. After that, in the next option, invite the friends. I left it right now as it is the optional. Now in the next, just click into Create button. You can see your Facebook group has been created. In the next step, I am going to add cover photo of the group. To make this group more attractive, click into Edit button from the right side. Choose the cover photo from your PC. By just clicking into Upload Photo from drop-down menu. I am selecting the cover photo of my business. And click Open to add it. You can adjust the cover photo by just dragging the photo. Click into Save Changes button into the top right corner, to save the cover photo. Your Facebook group is ready and look more attractive now. Scroll down and take a look into your Facebook group. In the middle of the page you can see the Hira Ali Mahi, create this group. And Hira Ali is the admin of the group right now. You can change it later. There are lots of options of your group. Into the left sidebar under the home menu. Look at all these options. They can help you to run your group more effectively. I will teach you about important option in later tutorials. You just take a look at right now. If you have any question you can ask me, I will try to resolve all of your queries. Look at the right side options of your Facebook group. You can invite friends to join your group. Add a cover photo, that we already added. You can add description and create post also. By using these options. This is all about new group of your Facebook. I will explain all options step by step in next tutorials. Stay with me and ask if any question. Thanks you.